everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. Phones are getting thinner and more powerful. Let's break it down. So today's skill is expressing two continual improvements. We use this grammar structure to express that two things have changed. It's commonly used to express progress, especially in regards to how something has improved. This grammar structure is commonly used in the present progressive tense, but it can also be used in other tenses as well. Since we are describing change, it's popular to use the verbs get or become. Both can be used interchangeably. For example, phones are becoming thinner. They are also becoming more powerful. This becomes phones are getting thinner and more powerful. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you'd like to read. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. Phones are getting thinner and more powerful. So we start with a subject, phones. Then we use a verb, either get or become. Then we use our first comparative, thinner. We say and. Then we say our second comparative, more powerful. Phones are getting thinner and more powerful. Let's look at some examples. My English writing is becoming faster and more accurate. These cars are becoming faster and safer. The tests became longer and more complicated. Recently, laptops have become lighter and more powerful. The iPhone series is becoming faster and more expensive. Our team is becoming bigger and more scalable. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave a comment below. Bye.